I'm glad to see you again there in the lab, and I know that you're having a hard time before to decide to go back to Korea to start here again. But I hope that you will always believe in yourself, just yourself, because you actually always doing well. So I hope that you can finish your PhD and also enjoy your life there with the lab mates, with Hong, with Sam, Nikos, and others. So I hope to see you again around, but now you know I'm not in the lab anymore, so it's very hard to see me again, like complain around with you. But whenever if you go to Vietnam, I hope that I think that I will make a schedule to see you. Happy birthday, Joyce.
Happy birthday, Joyce. Welcome back. In your birthday, I wish for your life ahead be filled by love, success, and happiness. I miss you. See you soon.
Joyce is Rumi. She was my roommate once there in Korea, and I think I was her first roommate. Even though it didn't last for so long, I hope and pray that you will retain all the good memories that we have. Happy birthday, Joyce. I hope and continue to pray for your success, your happiness, and more money for your wedding. Love you.
Hello, Machita. Happy birthday. So, gitap me ni Sam to give you a short video greeting. In fairness kang Sam, that's in effort. And she gave us questions. So, ansira na ako ng isa-isa, girl. Number 1, who is Joyce to you? Joyce to me, you're my best friend, Inday. I have known you since first year high school. Nagka-roommate pa ta. So, sumatotal almost half of my life. Di na ako mag-count kay Kapoy. But you have been with me through all my ups and downs, tanan akong kadramahan, akong rants, akong heartbreaks, ang kakileg. And I thank you, Dai, for being my person, for being a great advisor sometimes, and just for being there. You're not just a best friend to me, you're more like a family and more like a sister. So ay nagkatingala if protective ko si Mosa, because I know you are that kind of girl na kung mag-love bongga-bongga, dili lang sa love life ha, pero sa family and others, na sometimes you forget about yourself. So mo na medyo concern ko sa imo nga kay, because you love selflessly. Nawala na ko, but happy birthday, Wachita. This year, I know this year is murag happiest birthday na nimo. You are on the right track. The Lord has given you all the desires of your heart. Manage your love life through Kevin. Kaila ko sa mo because you're the type of person na really a hopeless romantic, and gihatag ni Lord deserve nimo. Uncle is getting better, and nanajud ka sa Korea, pursuing what you really love, and I hope na ma-PhD na dyan na. Anahon ang PhD before that. Pero kidding aside, Machita, you are one of the persons na nag-wish should go success for you, because for the previous year, grabe siya kag pinagdaanan, not just sa love life, but sa family, and also sa imuhang career, na pending career. Pero this year, you are already on the right track. And I know na magsettle na kapohon. I do not wish for any of the grandest things for you, but I just purely wish for your happiness. I hope na ma-happy na jud ka matcha, that you'll truly get what you deserve, because you deserve all the blessings, all the love and care from your family and friends. So once again, Machita, happy birthday. Di na ako ma-express na akong kod kay sabog ko karon, but I love you, Inday, and thank you for being my bestest friend in the whole wide world. Mwah!
To my dearest Joyce Pillarin, happy birthday, bye. From the countless memories we've created to the countless adventures we've embarked on, we'll always here for you. You may not feel it physically, I'll always root for you. You've been so brave, bye. Uy, bitaw. Gusto lang jud ko ma-appeal sa video greeting kay basi mahalin dai ko. I-post man ninyo no, i-post ni ha. Sa ako na itong barkada ni Joyce na single. Happy birthday, bye.
Hi, Macha! How are you there? Kamusta ang Korea? Actually, someone from Korea, one of your friends, nag-tap sa mua ako. Pwede ba daw may makahimo o video greetings for you sa imong birthday? Masking labag sa mong kalooban, amo nang pugsod among self na nga ay masulti na good. Joke lang. You know that, na blessed me, na nakasa ato ang grupo nun. Member ka sa gang. You know, we are blessed to have you kahit kabalo na ka. Ikaw ang kanang parang nakaduol kay God. Makaingon ko na duol ka kay God kay marag tanan nimo actions or tanan nimo decisions sa life. Imo yung siyang ginapangayon ang guidance from Him, from God mo. Makaingon ko na marag duol gid ka kang Lord compare sa mga. So mga 1 kilometer ka near to God. And zaman si Matcha as a best friend, okay ra gyud siya, okay ra gyud siya, okay ra, normal ra, sige na katula, bye, happy birthday. Dili bitaw, ganahan pud ko si Muha, you know, kay ikaw yata ang pinaka maluluyon sa tuwa, dali ra kay ka maawa sa ubang tao, and na-prove ko na siya katong nagbisita sa Sarangani para makatatag sulat. So dito na ko nagitan ako, dool gid sa heart, no? You have a space yun sa imong kasikasin for those people. Kay I know, after college, nag-missionary po ka sa sulat. So dito na ko ingon na dool yun sa imong kasikasin ang mga tao na, you know, ang mga sulads. So thank you for that. Kay imo po hatagan of opportunity para makatabang. And I know na one of your wishes mo to siya na maubad imong family, imong kami best friends nimo og si Kevin na mauban nimo sa imong ministry. So natupad nato imong wish for your best friends. Charot lang. And unsa man ako ang birthday greetings? Ang birthday greetings for you na lang is since na naman ka sa Korea, naman ka charot lang. Gibalik man ka ni Lord. So I know God has something for you. He has reason, He has purpose, nga iya kang gibalik sa Korea. So, unta, you know, matuman nimo ang gusto ni Lord na mahitabo sa imuhang life. Markin akong wish for you. And, you know, kanang gaano ka, namo ka, kanang ginasuportaan ka namo sa imuhang decision. So, yeah, so taimuhan ng matuman. Mahuman good nimo kung sa man imong purpose nga nung nang balik ka sa Korea. And sa paman, yang katimuhang plano with Kelvin. So, unta, happy na no this year. So, unta happy lang gid mo ni Kevin. Mo nang pinaka-importante sa inyong relationship na kamo dalawa gid ang malipayon. And kabalo man gid ko na naasikal sa inyong relationship. So it's actually a challenge for you, no? Paano nimo dili man gid mo siya mapugol, pero challenge for you na si Kevin sa ato ang fold, ma-appeal nimo sa ato ang fold. So I know kanang happy ka, and thank you Kevin for that happiness na iyang yatag sa imo. Makit-an gid na mo sa imo na happy gid ka. And mo lang to, happy birthday. We missed you a lot. Actually, wala ka nawala sa mo ang laag last time sa sama, last week sa sama. Ikaw gyapon among pulutan. Gilibak ka na. I'm so sorry. We're so sorry. Ato lang, happy birthday. And see you po hon. We love you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Nak. Happy birthday. Nalayo na pud ka sa mua sa imong birthday ron. Pray na jud ko nga mahimo kang successful sa imong handom sa kinabuhi. O amping ka permi, namdumi. Naami permi nagampo sa imuha, naga-pray sa imuha. Successful unta tanan nimo nga mga pangandoy sa kinabuhi sa imong love life. Successful ang tanan nga mga plano ninyo ni Kevin. O makahuman ka pag-eskwela diha sa imong PhD. Ban sa tabang sa Ginoo. Ampo lang permi, ayaw pag stress na ay Ginoo mo tabang tanang panahon. Remember, love day ka na mo. Kukuli ka iha. We love you, Nak. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hello, Joyce. Happy birthday. Na tagan pa ka tunggal birthday sa mga kinabuhi sa imong panimpala diya. I wish nga matupad ang imong mga damgo sa kinabuhi. Ang imong love life imong malampuson, successful. Ang imong pagpanimpala diya sa Korea, successful sa subon ako mayong happy birthday. I love you.
Hello, te. Happy birthday, te. Akong wish lang ang tanong nga mahimo kang successful si mohang pag-eskwela dara, mag-doctorate nimo, mahimo kang soon to be doctor, and for your successful unta ka si mohang mong love life, te. Mahimo nimo soon to be husband si Kuya Kevin. Naot wish lang na ako mulambok ka and mora to.
Kaj. Sing kag happy birthday kay Mami Joyce. Kaj. Hello, Kaj. Sing daw ka, Kaj. Mag-sing daw ka. Happy birthday to you. Ako na lang mag-sing. Happy birthday, Mami. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you from your Kaja. My God. Uy, asamang ka?
Love, happy birthday. Ang ako alang ma-inulod kay dako ito pasalamat sa Ginoo nga gitagaya pag-igayon na magkaila. Ikaw ang pinaka-genuine na tao nga akong nailang jud. Buutan. Tudanon lang gamay. Akong wish lang sa imo na maging strong ka diha para ma-fulfill mo imong dreams, imong career. Di man i-would permi nga kanang kauban nimo tanan sa imong journey diha. Ampo lang permi. Mo lang sa enjoy imong day lang. Happy birthday, Sam. I love you tayo.
Yes, Randy Fakazing. I would like to greet you a happy birthday and I wish you the best of everything. Sorry, I'm not the speaker straight, but I'm just adjusting. What's it to brains, huh? What do you want? I will give you this, and everything. This is I'm so rich. Happy birthday. Live what you want and want to what you live. Thank you. I love you, brother. I love you, and I know you love me. Peace out, man.